Hello viewers and welcome to our channel. Are you ready to elevate your outdoor living space? Today, we're exploring high-end outdoor retreats that will inspire you to create your own luxury oasis. From sleek designs to lavish details, let's dive in. Modern minimalism. First up, modern minimalism. This style is all about clean lines, simple shapes, and an emphasis on function over form. Imagine a space that's calm, serene, and uncluttered, where every element serves a purpose. Modern minimalism is perfect for those who crave a sense of openness and freedom in their outdoor space. To achieve this look, start with a neutral color palette and incorporate natural materials like wood, stone, and plants. Use sleek furniture with clean lines and minimal ornamentation. And don't be afraid to leave some space empty. It's all about creating a sense of breathability. Luxe landscaping. Next, luxe landscaping. This style is all about creating a lush, vibrant atmosphere that transports you to a tropical paradise. Imagine a space filled with colorful flowers, towering trees, and soft, green grass. To achieve this look, start by selecting a variety of plants with different textures and colors, and don't be afraid to mix and match different species. Consider incorporating natural elements like rocks, water features, and wooden accents to add depth and visual interest. And don't forget to incorporate comfortable seating areas, like plush sofas and oversized pillows, to create inviting spaces to relax and unwind. Outdoor kitchens. Now, outdoor kitchens. This is where function meets luxury, and we're not just talking about your average BBQ grill. Imagine a space equipped with high-end appliances, ample counter space, and comfortable seating for dining al fresco. To achieve this look, start by selecting high-quality appliances that can withstand the elements, like stainless steel grills and refrigerators. Consider incorporating natural materials like stone and wood to add warmth and texture. And don't forget to incorporate plenty of storage to keep your space clutter-free. Fire features. And finally, fire features. There's something magical about gathering around a warm fire on a chilly evening, watching the flames dance and listening to the crackle of the wood. Fire features are a must-have in any luxury outdoor space, and we'll show you how to incorporate them into your design. From sleek outdoor fireplaces to cozy fire pits, we'll explore the different options and styles to suit your taste and budget. Consider incorporating comfortable seating areas, like plush sofas and oversized pillows, to create inviting spaces to snuggle up and enjoy the warmth. Water features. Water features can transform any outdoor space into a serene retreat or a captivating focal point. Whether you're drawn to the gentle ripples of a koi pond or the dramatic cascade of a waterfall, incorporating water into your landscape design brings both beauty and tranquility. Number 1. Serene ponds. A classic choice for creating a peaceful atmosphere, ponds can range from simple, small setups to elaborate designs with aquatic plants and fish. They offer a calming visual and auditory experience, as the sound of gently flowing water adds a soothing soundtrack to your garden. Number 2. Dramatic waterfalls. For a more dramatic effect, consider adding a waterfall. Waterfalls can be designed to cascade over rocks or into a pond, creating a stunning focal point. The sound of rushing water not only enhances the visual appeal, but also masks unwanted noise, making your outdoor space more relaxing. Number 3. Fountains and streams. Fountains and streams provide dynamic elements that can fit into various garden styles. Fountains come in numerous designs, from modern sculptures to classical tiered structures. Streams can meander through your garden, adding movement and a natural feel. Tips for choosing. When selecting a water feature, consider your space, budget, and maintenance preferences. Ensure it complements your overall design and fits well with the scale of your garden. Outdoor lighting. The right lighting not only enhances safety, but also creates a welcoming ambience and highlights your outdoor space's best features. Number 1. String lights. String lights are a popular choice for adding a magical touch to any outdoor area. Whether draped across trees, along fences, or strung above a dining area, these lights create a warm, festive atmosphere perfect for gatherings. They come in various styles, including classic globe lights and modern LED options. Number 2. Tabletop torches. Tabletop torches offer both illumination and a touch of elegance. They are ideal for creating a cozy, intimate setting on patios or dining tables. Available in a range of designs, from sleek metal to rustic wood, these torches provide a gentle, flickering glow that adds charm to your outdoor space. Number 3. Pathway and spotlighting. To highlight the best features of your garden, consider pathway lights and spotlights. Pathway lights guide guests safely along walkways, while spotlights can accentuate focal points like sculptures, water features, or beautiful trees. Adjustable spotlights allow you to direct light exactly where you need it, enhancing your outdoor space's visual appeal. Tips for effective lighting. When planning your outdoor lighting, think about layering different types to create depth and interest. Combine ambient lighting with task and accent lighting to achieve a well-balanced look. Ensure the lighting complements your space's architecture and landscape, and consider energy-efficient options like LED bulbs for sustainability and cost-effectiveness. Thanks for joining me on this tour of high-end outdoor retreats. Remember, your outdoor space should be an extension of your personal style. Don't forget to subscribe for more design inspiration and trends.